Hey everyone, welcome to Ashok Vlogs. Today we are going to make puris that are very soft and they fluff up like balloons. Watch along to see the secret of it, how to make the batter to finally fry the puris. So just follow along and make a puri. Enjoy. Also comment below if you like this recipe, and if you have any more requests, please comment. First, we'll take some atta in a bowl. This is wheat flour. At home, we never use Maida, which is refined flour. We always use wheat flour for puris. They do not become chewy, they still stay soft. Add a pinch of salt to the atta. Now, this step is important. We mix the atta with our hands by adding small amounts of water continuously. Keep adding small amounts of water and keep mixing with your hand till it becomes a dough. One critical thing is the dough for puris needs to be harder than the dough that we make rotis from. So we'll not add more water than required, just enough to make it into a dough, and the dough needs to be hard. We'll keep kneading it till it does not stick to the bowl and it reaches the required consistency. Our dough is almost done. Now this is what it should look like. It is not as malleable as a roti dough, so it should be hard like it looks. We'll also add a teaspoon of half a teaspoon of oil on top, and then we'll mix it well like this. Once you reach this stage, your puri dough is ready. You can now make soft puris with this. One more critical thing is, now we need to let it rest for at least an hour before we actually start making puris. This will let the gluten form in the dough, and this will make our puris soft. Now that 1 hour has passed, we will take small chunks of the dough and then roll them into balls like this, and then we'll apply a little bit of oil onto the roll. Now this is important. We'll not apply the oil to the dough directly. We'll just apply oil to the roll where we are going to roll our puris. This is because if we apply oil to the puri disc, then the oil will become darker when we actually fry the puris, which we do not want. So this is it. This is what my mother has said. Now we will spread our puri dough around the roll like this and make it into a circle, as circular as possible. We will repeat the same step for as many puris we want. It is useful to make all of them now before actually frying them, so that we can fry them all subsequently at once. Roll on the dough once, then turn it. Roll on the dough once again, then turn it. This is the process that you need to do to make round puris. See, like this. It's simple once you get the hang of it. Now we heat a pan with oil. You need enough oil to deep fry the puris. You need enough oil so that the puri can be submerged in it. About 250 milliliters. Now to check whether the oil has heated up, we'll put a drop of dough there, and if it immediately comes up and it fries like this, that means the oil is hot enough for the puris. So the oil is hot, as we can see here. Now we will start frying our puris. We'll just reduce the heat a little bit and then just place the puri dough there, and then just slightly touch them on top and then push them down a little bit. Now they'll puff up like balloons like this. So it's very simple. Just you create the dough first, roll them out, and then place the puris into the oil, and then they fry up like this. You don't need to do anything special, just simply you keep them. Now I'll do this for another puri. Just pick it up, place it on the oil like this. Take care, don't drop it from a height, as the oil uh, might splash onto our hands or anything. So just place it very simply down into the oil delicately, and then just slightly press like this. You can see. Don't worry if you don't get them right in the first try, no one does. You just have to keep trying, keep practicing. Practice makes you perfect. Just repeat the same procedure for the last puri. Place it delicately on the oil, and then you'll fry like this and keep pressing it down into the oil, all the top. Why are we doing this? So that the oil covers on the top also, and then it helps puffing up the puris. Now we will turn them once. Turn the puri around. Don't let it fall off. As and when the puri reaches this golden brown color, we know that the puri is done. Usually in hotels, they make puris using Maida and they become hard quickly. So you make puris with Atta, they stay soft for a longer time. How beautiful they are and soft. Hot puris for dinner. I can't tell you in words how good it is. Very, very nice. Unbelievable how tasty this is. Actually, there is no recipe, just making puris, but I'll post this video and check that out.